We are in Davos and we are going now to Schatzalp. Look how nice that is. A little bit cloudy today, but yeah, sun should come out soon, so let's cross the fingers. It's coming out. Look guys, how nice it looks. We are going to the Schatzalp here. It looks just amazing. By the way, yeah, that's a present from Amy to me. Say hello, Amy.
Hello.
How amazing is that? So nice. Wow, amazing. Hey guys, this is Schatzalp. Look at that nice resort hotel you have here. Amazing. Very nice. Cool. Walking down now, doing like a downhill. Look how nice it is. Between all these trees, so quiet. Like you can sit here. There you can see Davos, the church. Now we are walking here down. It's around from Schatzalp is around 45 minutes to arrive down Davos Dorf. Yeah. How you like Davos?
I like it.
Cool. You can see there, maybe in the front, I don't know if you can see there, there was when the WEF was here, Trump was in that hotel there. It's like a golden egg. Fantastic. This is Davos Dorf. So Davos Dorf, it means city of Davos. Yeah, something like that. Looks pretty nice. A lot of people here. There is always a big party. All 30 guys are there. Cool. Going up. Jakobsson there. Wurde geil.
Schön.
Schön. Schöner Moment.
Hä?
Schöner Moment. Wenn ich mal auf nicht bin. Das ist deine Welt. So, we are at Jakobshorn. $2,519. Wow. Ammo?
Zwei Baileys, 6 Minuten, normale Kaffee. Normale Kaffee, ja.
Nochmal ein Baileys mehr.
Is this beautiful here? Look at that view. Just amazing. Going down there now. Look how nice that is. Davos. Hey guys, we just went up here to see the lake. What's the name of the lake?
Stadlersee.
Stadlersee. It's an artificial lake. Basically, there's nothing. But look at that amazing view. Just beautiful. Nobody around. There's only one person there. There. No. So there. Look at that view. Amazing. So I'm getting my drone. I'll let it fly a little bit and then I show you a little bit of drone shot how the mountains here in Davos, especially here around the St. Jakob, looks like. Cool guys, catch you. Look at that view guys. Swiss Alps. You hear only the music going there. Amy's taking pictures for Instagram. Look at that. Ah, yeah. So 2 people coming then down. They're here. Let's see if I can catch them doing then the video. Sound on. Video, eh? And he's flying away.
Dann ist natürlich ein Wertesam.
So guys, ending here the vlog. That's the Davoser say here. That's the street. So we're going back now to Zurich. So ending here the vlog from Davos. Ciao ciao Davos. Bye bye.